Everyone has their favorite memories of Clarkson.
So I grew up in New England, and I'd gone to a very large high school. And so when I first visited Clarkson, what struck me was that it was a small school and that I could really build a family here. And so that's what I really liked visiting Clarkson. Professionally, Clarkson gave me the ability to collaborate in teams and to tackle complex subjects, and most importantly, to learn how to learn. I obviously didn't learn nuclear engineering here at Clarkson, but it taught me how to do that. Personally, my entire family is owed to Clarkson. I met my husband here. We have two beautiful children who are future Golden Knights. So we are Clarkson through and through. We volunteer our time and talent for Clarkson because Clarkson is our family. So we want to do that for the Clarkson students. It's very rewarding, and we just enjoy it. It's our family.